Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to lock your screen orientation on your GoPro Hero 9. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So do you want to lock your GoPro to recording or displaying in a certain orientation, whether it's vertical or horizontal? Well, this is very easy to do. So what if we actually want to completely flip our GoPro upside down and only record from this position? Well, we can do that, but first we would have to rotate it upside down like this and then lock the screen orientation. So we'd want to swipe down from the top. And here's all the different icons on your GoPro. Now, if you can see, there's one in the bottom right. It has 4 arrows next to it, around it like a square in the middle. If I press this, it will say orientation locked, and it will have 1 up arrow. If I unpress this, it will say orientation set to all, orientation locked. So just make sure this is selected for your orientation to lock. So I'm going to completely rotate my GoPro back to the original setting. Now it's in the original position. So if you wanted to only record in landscape mode, let's swipe over to the right to Preferences, select Preferences. Now go down to Display and select the arrow. Then it says Orientation All. Let's select this. Then you have Orientation All, and then you have Landscape now. You can select Landscape, and it'll only record and display in that landscape mode. So this sets your camera to only capture landscape shots. Lock orientation by tapping orientation icon on the dashboard. So I can set it to all or landscape, so those are my 2 different options. If this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more GoPro tech up videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.